Hi, this is Roman for Ultra Rock Radio, and we are here in Slovenia for the end of the Terminator. Things are starting to cool down, and I'm with Shay. How's it going?
I'm alright, mate, you?
Yeah, great. A bit tired.
I am very tired.
Yeah.
I'm rocked out. I'm getting too old for long parties.
Well, you do look like in pretty decent shape, I must say.
I?
Yeah, you do. So we met Shay back, well, at the very beginning, before it even started, and I think you are a great person, but you also have a very interesting car, and if you don't mind, we'll do the tour of it.
Yes, yeah, no problem.
Well, show me what that is.
For a start, we got a collection of ducks.
Collections.
Yeah, we got who we got? We got Eddie for a start. Trooper Eddie Duck.
Yep.
Somewhere in time, Eddie Duck.
Somewhere in time.
And of course, Ozzy.
Yeah, we are.
Lemmy.
We are 1 week removed. 1 week from the passing of Ozzy. Well, that's the day we met, actually.
Bless him. Yeah, and then we got
many
Slayer.
Yes, think of that. Oh, I got too many reflections.
Yes, yeah, it's a trouble, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. But yeah, and then the rest are horror. So you got the Nun, Carrie, Annabelle, is that? Annabelle. No, that's
Annabelle.
The Exorcist.
The Exorcist.
That's Reagan from The Exorcist. That's Annabelle
right.
from The Conjuring, isn't it?
The Conjuring.
That's Carrie as well, I think.
Yeah, so you.
Michael Myers, Frankenstein, Satan, Freddy Krueger.
Okay.
Very cool.
More horror than metal for starters, but it's gonna change.
Metal and horror go together.
Metal and horror
are the same.
They are.
Yeah.
Ozzy said that. I think he did. Yeah. We invented heavy metal because there was nothing like a horror movie for music.
It was a It was a horror movie from the 60s. It was a what's the guy's name? I can't remember his name now. But it was a horror movie, and it was showing opposite there in the cinema, opposite there in Birmingham where they rehearsed. They looked across and they seen this cinema picture, advertising picture, and it was for a movie called Black Sabbath with, I'm trying to think of his name, it'll come to me in a minute, Boris Karloff.
Okay.
And it was Black Sabbath, the movie.
Boris Karloff, which is
a cool name.
It would, and Boris Karloff, coincidence? Yeah. I think it's right there.
Yeah, there's Herman, that's Munster. So our camper van is called Herman. You remember the Munsters in American TV series?
I do.
So our camper van's called Herman. And we see us there. You see the picture of us there.
Of course. Of course. I cannot do points.
So when we were trying to come up with names, we thought Herman was good. So and then you got the van graphic.
The van graphics.
We got Lemmy. The legend.
The legend. The first legend of many.
Very, yeah, absolutely. So that was cool.
Paradise Lost?
Yeah, Paradise Lost. Been a massive fan of Paradise Lost. Have you heard of Paradise Lost? Yeah, doom sort of metal band from Yorkshire in the UK. So we're big fans of them. In fact, we're going to see them in a couple of months' time.
Of course, Eddie. Coming through the wall of the truck.
Yeah, that's all I wanted, yeah.
Make you run to the hills.
And then the heartbeat.
The heartbeat.
Metal is my heartbeat.
You did that all by yourself?
I designed it, yeah. And then I just got it printed off. So, yeah. Good old Canva.
On an adventure before dementia.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I've not got long.
Really? One couple, one thrash wagon, and one heavy metal road trip. We can see the purpose of the car.
Yes, yeah, exactly what it's for, yeah.
Another guy from Megadeth.
Megadeth, yeah. More Megadeth.
I can't remember the name of the mascot actually.
It's Rattlehead.
Okay.
Rattlehead. Yeah, very cool.
On
the other side, we got more Megadeth, and last year we met David Ellison at Megadeth, and he signed it, but he's washed off.
It happens. It happens.
Yeah. And then on the back,
Wolfsbane.
Wolfsbane.
Hauling mad shitheads on tour.
Well, that's
Oh,
their
it's
logo. Is
everywhere.
heroin mad shitheads.
Yeah.
Is their thing. So yeah, Wolfsbane are a UK band. Been going since like the mid '80s. But most people who don't know would know Blaze Bayley, the singer from Wolfsbane. And Blaze Bayley,
He sung once with Iron Maiden.
Iron Maiden, yeah. So he sung in Iron Maiden for 2 albums. After Bruce Dickinson left at the first time, he joined Iron Maiden for 2 albums. But the reason Wolfsbane are so close to my heart is that they're local boys. They're from our town.
Birmingham, right?
Yeah, Tamworth, so just outside Birmingham.
Just outside Birmingham.
Tamworth boys, Paisley Crazes. Yeah, and then my hero, Slayer.
Everywhere. Like,
Yeah.
It looks like it's still bleeding.
Still sore.
No,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Yeah, I love Slayer, my idols. So.
For real.
But then we've got all our YouTube stuff on here, so you can.
So the channel is Marauding Metalheads TV.
Yeah, subscribe.
Subscribe, follow.
Subscribe, we'll send you a sticker. Yeah, then our
Nice.
logo.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So, and then in the back of here, it's a bit of a mess actually, because we've just got everything away.
Like in a festival, the
Yeah,
usual.
we've got the
So many relics.
so various bits and bobs in there. We've only just not long started this wall, so it's going to be. We have pics I've collected over the years. So
Do you remember from which band for each of them?
yeah, so that's Skid Row, Snake, that's Scotty Hill, that's Skid Row, Black and Lawless Wasp, that's obviously Wolfsbane, Jace. That was a cancer pick, so Jason out of Wolfsbane currently got cancer, so they've got a charity, that was a charity pick. That's Tom Araya out of Slayer. You've got, I think that's Bill Steer out of Carcass, another Wolfsbane one. Yeah, Gary Holt, Slayer. I can't remember that one is actually. That's Biohazard.
Yeah.
That was a fun story because we actually met them on the ferry last year. They'd just done download. They'd just played download. We parked up for the ferry to go to Europe. We were going to the heavy weekend in France. And they pulled up on the tour bus next to us. We ended up having a coffee on the ferry with them, just sat chatting to them. They had a look round my van.
Nice.
Yeah. So, I was thinking who that is. Oh, that's Dave Ellefson. That one.
Okay.
Out of Megadeth. And obviously that's Chuck
Testament.
Billy Testament. That's an interesting piece.
So what is this strange? Oh, sorry.
Strange item is actually on the Somewhere in Time Eddie, when he's got the earpieces.
Yeah.
That is the mould that they use for the Eddie that comes on stage.
For the real one.
For the actual Eddie, when he comes on stage, that's his earpiece.
That's the mold. That's nice.
Yeah, and then various tickets. I get well soon card from Wolfsbane when I hurt my leg. Nearly chopped my leg off with a strimmer.
Get hell soon.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then that poster was there was in when I was in their Wolfsbane fan club when I was 16. That's the poster. That is the poster that you used to send you in your pack. So that's some years old, them two. And then just Wasp tickets. Blaze Bayley signed photo in Authenticity set lists.
That's a real one.
Yeah, a bit of Stark, Helgrim. Oh, just various bits and bobs. We've got loads of stuff in there I haven't got around to putting up yet, to be honest. And that's Crusher. So Crusher was a big heavy metal personality in the 80s and early 90s, and Crusher used to host the Monsters of Rock. He would do the comparing on stage. But what he's most famous for, Crusher, is designing album covers. And he designed the original Black Sabbath album cover.
Okay.
He also did Iron Maiden covers, did all of Motorhead's. He went on tour on the Ozfest and designed the Blizzard of Oz cover. He did a lot of Aussie albums actually, but so many album covers he's designed. He also used to do artwork for Kerrang. He set up Kerrang magazine.
Okay. Kerrang.
So he's a real big personality. But also in the 90s there was a TV program on called Raw Power.
Raw Power.
Very early in the morning, but it was a heavy metal, hour-long heavy metal show, and it was the only one in the UK, and Crusher was the host.
Nice.
He was great, he was fantastic, he's hilarious, he's a funny guy, very funny guy. So yeah, that's
Okay.
it, really.
And if you want to pick your poison, you have everything.
Yeah.
IPA, wheat beer, yeah, you name it.
Yeah.
Most important thing in
Got to
festival.
have it, got to, of course. And then this side. So,
Look at here's Eddie.
see that air piece there?
Yep.
There's the mould. That's the mould for that piece there.
Nice.
I made it.
I think I just found the vignette for my YouTube video actually.
Yeah.
It's gonna be this way.
Yeah.
Of course, I made it.
This is what was signed by David Ellington, and you can't see it now, it got rubbed out. But I have got a picture to
It was
prove it.
signed.
Yeah, he signed it for
Trust
me.
share on this, it was signed.
Yeah, I've got a picture, I'll send it to you.
Yeah.
Put it on there.
Okay.
And then Raymond
Heineken, sorry, Hanneman.
Kev Hanneman.
Raymond
That was his
Blood.
logo on his guitar. The legend Hanneman.
Passed away in 2013.
13, something like that, yeah, bless him. Yeah, amazing guy, amazing guitarist. Well missed. But yeah, well replaced by Gary Holt though.
Sure.
If it was one man that could replace him, it'd be Gary Holt. So yeah, amazing. So yeah, very cool. You want to see inside?
I do, if it's not too private.
No. The Eddie collection.
The Eddie collection.
Yeah, and also that's, you see, that's signed. Steve Harris's Stage 1 wristband.
Nice.
We've got on there, we've got the same for Dave Murray. We've got a VIP one there. And these here are the limited edition stamps that Iron Maiden bought out.
Iron Man stamps.
Yeah. Yeah, so we bought them.
Never gonna
No.
use it on postcards.
Exactly.
I don't-
And then we've got the draw handle, which is Scott Howland. He's Stet Howland, sorry, Scott Howland. He's the drummer from Wasp.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's the Wasp drummer. We're big Wasp fans. We go quite often to see Wasp. Although Lindsay's not happy because she's missed them because they're in the UK this weekend.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're gonna see Wasp again.
Yeah, and then we've got that drumstick there for our kitchen drawer.
Okay. Oh, okay. For
That
the
one.
kitchen drawer. Okay.
Yeah, that is Dave Lombardo at Slayer.
Oh, thank you. I was
That's
about to
Dave
ask.
Lombardo. He is actually signed, it can't see it. It's just signed. Yeah, that's Dave Lombardo from Slayer. Yeah, and that's about it really.
Yeah.
Full setup in here. We've got a proper cooker.
Yeah. And I'm picturing Dave Lombardo cooking in there.
Yeah. Proper fridge freezer.
Yeah, of course.
We've got everything we need. Kettle, proper tap, and then we got. Probably get to me in.
I will try to keep the personal stuff outside of the video as much as I can.
Shower and toilet in there.
Okay.
It's a bit of a mess in there because we're actually redecorating it.
Oh. Maybe for
Yeah, proper shower and toilet.
more bands to come.
Yes, yes. And then this suite, this seat, this double seat, swiveled round, so we've got plenty of extra room. What's that swivel?
Yeah.
Yeah, more than enough for us. And of course, the all-important TV. For the hours of watching metal.
For hours of watching metal.
YouTube metal videos.
Okay. Quick question outside the video.
Yeah.
Are you watching the pit?
Yes. Yeah,
the
we do
site?
watch it. Yeah, we watch Hit. We watch Wyatt's Metal. Do you watch
Wyatt's Metal?
Yeah.
I did a lot of them. Well, that's
Yeah.
how I discovered some festivals
Yeah.
and also decided not to go there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
I think it's funny actually.
We decided to come here because of Wyatt's Metal doing his gig last year. Because I'd always wanted to come here, but once I seen that, he was like, that was it? And I'd been messaging him, and I was like, I thought you said this place was sunny. And he was chucking it down the rain. He went, wow, no way.
It happens.
But yeah, it happened.
For-
We've still had an amazing time.
For the most time, Slovenia is in the Alps, and so
Yeah, exactly. Unpredictable weather.
unpredictable. Can change in an hour. Now it looks foggy, well, cloudy, but might be
But still,
huge sun.
Still warm.
Still warm. Well, it's summer.
So yeah, but yeah,
That's a nice
Really?
car.
Got big old tyres. Brutal tyres.
What do you need?
We will today.
These are tires for festivals.
Yeah, festivals.
So they
No.
can sustain the mud. Okay, well, thank you very much, Shay, for
More than
sharing
welcome.
this piece of art, collection of relics.
Yeah.
Are you gonna go come again to the Terminator if you have the chance?
Yeah, we would definitely come back. Yeah, especially if the weather's bad. But yeah, the weather hasn't really spoiled it because we've still had plenty of time to go swimming in the Solche. You know, okay, there's a bit of rain for Ministry and Rotting Cross, but other than that, we've got away with it really.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll definitely come back. We try and do a different festival every year. So next year, I think we're going to do Alcatraz Festival next year.
Belgium, Alcatraz.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's another one I'd really like to go to. But before that, you're going to leave here 2,300 miles in time for Bloodstock Festival.
Well, that's it then.
Yeah, so we're going to Bloodstock Festival next, and then Stone Dead Festival. Yeah, that's it then. And then a few gigs
All right.
in the year. But yeah, we'll be back.
We'll be back.
And it's been fantastic to meet you guys, and your family has been absolutely amazing.
Thank you very much.
Rock, your kid.
You rock.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Shay.
worries, mate.
I hope to see you again soon.
No problem. Thank you. Cheers, man.
Thunder rolls, the stage is set alight. Metalheads unite with all their might. Marauding metalheads, hear the call. Unleash the fury, stand up tall. Marauding metalheads, the sound will rise. Screaming guitars, piercing the skies. Speed of lightning, a sonic storm, keeping the metalhead